subject of this video is encapsulation cleaning of carpets. If you've never heard of encapsulation cleaning, it is a very fast and effective way to get carpets clean, and the beauty of it is dry in about an hour. When you're looking for an encapsulation cleaner, select one that has the Carpet and Rug Institute seal of approval. And what does that mean? It means that this has independently been tested for effective soil removal, and even more importantly, or equally important, is that it does not promote resoiling. So that is very important. So what's in an encapsulation cleaner? Basically, there's three things. There's detergents that basically loosen the soil. Hydrogen peroxide. A lot of encapsulation cleaners don't have this, but hydrogen peroxide really adds to the product by helping power out stains, brighten colors, and it is a natural deodorizer. And the third thing it has in it is what we call a crystallizing polymer. So if you looked at the product, it looks like this. It looks milky. That is that crystallizing polymer. What sets encapsulation cleaners apart from other carpet cleaners? It's this crystallizing polymer. In its liquid form, it looks milky like this, but when it dries into a friable crystal that encapsulates the dirt and all of the detergent, so it's easily vacuumed out. Here's an example of the crystals. 4 simple steps to encapsulation cleaning of your carpet. First, you're going to vacuum the carpet. Second, you're going to prepare your encapsulation chemical. In this case, we're using a product where we dilute 1 part encapsulation cleaner to 10 parts water. Typically, you'd put it in a pump-up sprayer like this. You're going to apply it uniformly to the carpet area that you want to clean. Okay. Next step is to agitate. Now, how do we agitate? The idea with agitation is we're trying to loosen the soil that's in the carpet, and then we're also trying to use that polymer to wrap around or encapsulate the dirt and the detergents. So when they dry, you can easily vacuum them out. So typically agitation is, this is a carpet scrub pad. It's not a bonnet. We don't like to talk about bonnet when we talk about encapsulation cleaning. This is a carpet scrub pad. You can use it under a machine like this. This is an orbital scrubber. It is not a floor buffer. It actually has a circular motion as well as orbital motion, and it really does a fantastic job of helping take out dirt and stains. Okay, so we've applied our encapsulation cleaner. We use a machine like the orbital scrubber and basically just run it back or over the area. Now this particular machine has got a nice feature. It's got an onboard tank and a sprayer, so you could actually, instead of using the pump-up sprayer, actually use the onboard sprayer to just spray and then pump the area. Once that is done, you basically let it dry, and again, it's dry inside an hour. And then the last step is vacuuming. Whether you choose to vacuum immediately after it's dry or wait till the next vacuum cycle, that is totally up to you. Now, you don't have to have this piece of equipment. You can use other pieces of equipment. You can use something as simple as a low-speed floor buffer. Again, using this carpet scrub pad as your method of agitation. Another way is to use a machine that has a counter-rotating brushes. So there's 2 nylon brushes that rotate, and basically, again, what you're trying to do is loosen the soil, encapsulate it, so when it's dry, your vacuum is pulling up not only the encapsulated dirt, but the encapsulated detergent. You're not leaving a residue, and you're actually removing dirt. So that's encapsulation. It's simple, it's easy, anybody can do it.